Hi, I'm Ray Sievert with Tracey Technologies, and today we're talking about pearls of how to get the most out of your various software displays in your iTrace. What I have posted here is the DLI, Dysfunctional Lens Index screen. Most people know it's corneal contribution plus internal equals total. A plus B equals C. If the total vision's not very bad and the cornea best corrected is not very good, then you may not get much improvement. In this case, we have an interesting case here. This is a 6 on the DLI scale. A recent large study said that 5.7 or less on the DLI scale, and you should be able to take the lens out. So this is a borderline cataract. So how do you use this display other than understanding the DLI number? Well, first, you can look at the cornea qualitatively. This Snellen-E represents the best optics the cornea can give. This is actually quite good. You can look at it qualitatively, or down here under corneal high-order aberrations, you can look at it quantitatively. It's 0.05. If it's 0.15 or less, you're probably okay. If it's more than that, you're probably not okay for a multifocal. The second thing you look at is optical alignment. If this is over 0.5, it'll turn red, and it suggests a multifocal is not a good idea. It won't center on the visual axis, and you may have a risk of dysphotopsias. So what else do you do? Well, there's this opacity map. How do people use it? Well, around the world, these pearls have come to us in that people will look at this scale, 0 to 5, and they'll say if this is 2.5 or more, it's pretty obvious cataract. If it's less than 2, it may not be obvious opacity to you, but what really matters is what's the quality of vision the patient is experiencing. So in this case, it's borderline. It's an obvious cataract to you, but the patient will only get this best correction to this. That's not a huge improvement. You will understand how to set expectations properly if you know that this is their best correction now, and this is what you can give them. Last thing, this little icon of glasses here is actually very helpful in determining whether a patient should have a toric or not. In this instance, I can show the patient this is what you have now without correction for astigmatism. This is what your vision is going to be with a normal lens. If I put in what's called a toric, I can show them this is what you will get. And that takes away the effort of explaining astigmatism and just shows the patient this is what you could get. It's very helpful. So this has been a pearl on how to use your DLI screen. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope you've gotten something out of it.